footage, so please enjoy what little bit I got.
We got a little mess in the kitchen, but it's all good. Our beans is very nice. For the KOA. Got some girls fired up. I'm gonna get my flip flops on. There we go. Some good stuff on the grill. Corn, chicken, flip. We can't lift up that grill. Here's everybody.
Whatever we're waving to.
Oh yeah, it's just the interweb. Don't worry about it. Uncle Doug, Aunt Linda, Mama right there. She's getting drunk. There's my wife, and then there's my life.
Oh wow!
Hi.
Wow! My wife and then my life.
He's looking for them squirrels.
And we are here at the Camping Adventures.
Cheers!
What do we call this? Oh yes, our rugged adventures.
And then we were off to see the St. Augustine Light Station. It's a really, really neat trip. Then we were off for our wine cruise. This is a must-do in St. Augustine. They offer so many of the local wines, plus you get to see all of St. Augustine by boat.
Rated the best law ever. No future structures may be built over 3 stories high within city limits. So, one more thing I just love about this town, so there's no real skyscrapers, and my favorite, no high-rise hotels on the beaches. You can enjoy the beach here about 100 cars over. What a cool view, in my opinion. Taller than our house right there.
There is the what is that? What is it called?
Yeah, I'm a messy boy.
What's that fort called? The Castillo de San Marco Fort. Right? And then look out. Has to be in our way. Always in the way.
God, look at all
That's
this
my
social
job.
action.
We're starting to come around to